Hello sir, ako'y magtatanong po sa version ng Gen 1. Iba po ba ang release box ng Wave 2 ng Gen 1 and si Wave 1 is my new release ng my Nemesis Prime? Thank you. Naguguluhan pa po. Alam mo, ako din, medyo naguguluhan din ako sa tanong mo. Pero sige, I'll try my very best to answer your question even though PTR is not right here. Right now, it's a good thing that I'm here right now. So I think your question is about the YOLO Park box. The Wave 1 of the YOLO Park is they have this kind of box. They only release it with this kind of box. Not like this one box. This one is from the Wave 3. But the Wave 3 has the same box like this one. If it's small release, I think they will release it like this one. But this one, smaller boxes is for affiliates only like me. I mean like us, PTR. Not me. I'm Manny Pacquiao eh. I'm not PTR, okay? That's clear. It doesn't matter if what box they came from. What matters most is what's in your heart. If you want to buy YOLO Park, then go buy YOLO Park. Either boxes. Nemesis Prime is available also. Don't be confused. If you're still confused, boxing na lang tayo. Halika rito. Tara. That's it for today's video. If you have any other question, just comment it down below.